Hello, Harry. This is Isley, and this is the video that we spoke about last week. And I would like to show you some tips that you can do to improve your online presence. I was looking at your website, and it's a good website by the way. And if you see here, I am highlighting your front page, and everything that is blue is what Google reads. So from texts to pictures, Google reads. This picture here, for instance, if I go there, I see the name as General Home Image, and you can do better in regards to keyword to name this picture for Google to read. Also, Google likes somewhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words. You have quite a bit of text here of content, but you can write more relevant content to your site on this page, and that will only benefit you. So this is content. And the second thing that Google looks are citations. So citations are directories where you list your name, address, and phone number. An example of directories is Yelp, Facebook, and so on. So with good citations, you can be on the front page of Google. So I searched here for janitorial services Boston, and what you first see here are the sponsored links. So they pay to be here, and that is one disadvantage of it is because they get a lot of spammers, and most of people now, they don't like sponsored links because one, they think it's annoying. The other one, they think that, if a company pays to be on top, it's because their service is not that good. That's the truth. Some people now even have a ad blocker on their computer to block those ads, so they will never see those. And below that, we see the organic listing. So this is the organic listing, but I want to show you this first. This is the business local mapping. So the local map are business around the area that Google lists. And the citations that I was talking about, your name, address, and phone number on various directories that are relevant to your site, to your business, to what you do, will make you be here. Okay? This is a Google service. It's free, but you have to be verified by Google because Google needs to know that you are a legitimate business. So you apply, and then you verify with Google and use the citations as much as possible to be up here. The third thing I would like to talk to you about are backlinks. So backlinks will help your site be on the organic listing, okay? So backlinks are when one site links to another. Again, the relevance is crucial because Google sees where the link is coming from. And if the link is coming from a site that has no relevance to your own site, to your own business, it won't do you any good. It won't hurt, but you won't do any good. It's not going to be beneficial to you. So the quality of the backlinks are very important. I came here And I use this tool, Ahrefs. This data is not 100% accurate because Google is 100% accurate, but it can give us a lot of what is happening to your site, can give us a solid idea. And here it tells me that you have 58 referring domains giving you 113 backlinks. And then you have 28 keywords, but from those keywords and from those backlinks, you are getting 0 traffic. So you have no relevance in terms of Google traffic. Okay, so you're having right now, you have no presence. So that can be changed working on the backlinks, working on the citations, and working on your page's content. If we go back on the search and we look on Boston Cleaning Company, which is the #1 on the organic listing, if we look at their website has some content, not much. They can also improve, but that tells us that, you know, if they can improve, we can do better than they do, okay? So I did the audit on their site as well. And that's where things change. That's why they are on the #1. So they have 68 domains referring and with a total of 280 backlinks, which gives them 695 keywords, and their traffic is 907 visits per month. So you see what I mean? If their backlinks are all listed here, and we are able to see, and if we see where they have their backlinks, we can go there, okay, and list your company there too. Also, if we see what keywords they are ranking for, you can go ahead and change your own keywords to rank as well. So this commercial cleaning company has a volume of 2,200 a month, gives them the traffic of 32 visits. Okay, so they are position #1 for Boston Cleaning Company and Boston Cleaning, also Janitor Service Boston. Okay, #2 for Boston Office Cleaning. So you are able to see the positions they are ranking and what keyword gives them that ability. Okay, so all the information that I'm giving to you, you can use to work on your site in order to do better, in order to have more visibility on Google. You're very welcome to use that information on your own. If you have any questions or if you want more details about it, we can also discuss it. My number is 339-228-6061. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I hope this information, you find it useful. You have a great day. Bye-bye.